I went from having $8 into my bank account to having $22,000 months, bro, at 22 years old.
I'm a little sick, but we're not gonna let that stop us from getting the job done. Ideally, I'm more bullish than bearish short term, but we're gonna see. Absolutely nothing. We all sitting here with no trades.
Every single goal that I set for myself got accomplished in 2024. I'm partnered with YouTube. I've been making money with YouTube for the first time ever. I've never made a dollar off of YouTube until 2024. There was a point, I think 2-3 years ago, when I only had $8 in my account. Literally only $8 bro, to getting $1,600 payouts from Top Step, $1,400 payouts from Top Step. You just gotta know that it's only a plan away from being achieved. You're just one plan, one step, 1 year from where you wanna be.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. My name is Andre Diaz, self-employed day trader, content creator, entrepreneur, and today is the last trading day of the year. It is the last day of the year, New Year's Eve. We're about to have a great day, have a productive day. It's pretty cloudy, per usual. The last couple of days has been pretty foggy. I am a little sick, but we're not gonna let that stop us from getting the job done. I still feel enough capacity to get the work done. About to take some medicine, about to get active with the team on VIP. We're gonna see what we can do. Nonetheless, this is about to be a productive, eventful, fun day. And we're gonna end the year off how we wanna start it. If you have your New Year's resolutions, start today. He said too sad for you. Well, let's see what 30 gonna do. Is it gonna fill this gap? It's not holding the top, so let's see what it do, if it's gonna hold this or just keep dropping. We gonna see. Just notice. Oh. Yeah, just notice it was a 4-hour gap there too. So let's see how price hold it. Ideally, I'm more bullish than bearish short term, but we gonna see. This should need to go do something. It's been ranging, but listen, less is more. Don't force trades. Absolutely nothing. We all sitting here with no trades. That's how you know. Even Kel don't know I got trade. Keno got TP. Somebody hit him. That shit went to TP 2 and 3. All right, just like that, I was on the VIP call for probably 2 hours. I didn't take trades again. Like I said, I'm not forcing nothing these last 2 days of the year. There was movement, but not necessarily what I wanted to look for. I was looking for possible longs, and we did get the longs short term, but it never ran these highs. These highs, if it got ran at 10 o'clock, that would have been a smooth trade, but it never happened. So we about to get the rest of the day started. About to take my laptop over there, get some content in terms of these reels and everything posted for the day. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gym. I might just work out at the crib. Yeah, I don't wanna touch shit and get anyone potentially sick when I can just work out in the crib. But yeah, that's my day so far. So far, so good. All right, now on to the rest of my day. Gotta clean this up because this is where my brother was. It's an ugly day outside. It's rainy, foggy, cloudy.
Team, right now, I'm still sick as fuck. It's probably windy as hell right now, but I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna go put a hoodie on so I can kind of mask this wind. I think this is a little bit more fits the topic of what we're gonna talk about. It's been a great year. Even though I'm sick as shit right now, I can barely talk, can barely breathe out my right nostril. I'm gonna get this video out for you guys, and I mainly want to talk to you guys about being able to accomplish anything you put your mind to. Every single goal that I set for myself got accomplished in 2024. This is one of the first years that I actually did that. That me setting goals, me having a plan of action and actually making it happen, word for word, everything I said I would do, I did. I did it this year. I'm only just getting started. When it comes to what I've done this year, I grew the YouTube. Like, as you guys can see right now, YouTube, I'm partnered with YouTube. I've been making money with YouTube for the first time ever. I've never made a dollar off of YouTube until 2024. And what the dollars that I did make were a substantial amount of dollars. You know what I mean? Like, I've built the FBA brand to crazy heights, including the private inner circle. We're about to hit 3,000 free members, free value every single day, a free community that you can learn from. Almost at 3,000 members. And I was just looking at screenshots from like 2-3 years ago. I was looking at screenshots of when the private inner circle was only at 200 members, only at 100 members. And I was just working every single day. The same thing I'm doing right now, people don't realize I've been doing it for a long time. I was doing it for free. I may be doing something for paid now, but I'm also giving a lot more free value in terms of YouTube, in terms of Instagram. So the value is just unmatched, and that's the reason we are where we are. Everything that I preach to you guys, I do. When it comes to trading, when it comes to content, when it comes to fitness. Now, even though today, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't go to the gym, I didn't even work out, I've been in bed, sleep for a good amount of time. The only reason I'm really up right now is so I can get this video made and so that I can actually get some food. But besides that, I'm cooked. I'm cooked right now. My body is cooked. But listen, there is meaning behind that. Look at me right now. Not every day I wake up in the best conditions. Not every day I'm going to wake up feeling as motivated, as inspired to do the work. But guess what? How I feel doesn't matter. I know what I got to do. And that's the main thing most people don't. They don't know what to do. They don't have the plan of action. They don't have the routine. They don't have the thing that they just have to follow every single day. If I told you just to do this every single day and that's all you had to do, the likelihood of you being successful is far more likely, because all it comes down to is you versus you. You not getting in your own way and self-sabotaging what you know you're supposed to do. When it comes to trading, you know you should follow your system. You know you shouldn't be over trading. You know you shouldn't have taken that trade. You know you shouldn't have traded that day. Everything that you know you shouldn't have done, you know. A lot of the stuff that comes from within. We don't have an information problem. We have an application problem. We know what to do to become successful. We know what to do to build a trading account, to get funded, to get a payout, to build a YouTube channel, to get in shape. The problem is not the information. The problem is not what you don't know. It's that what you're not doing. Everybody has access to the internet for the most part. If you're watching this video, you have access to more information than you'll ever even need. Everything you need, you have. It's just a matter of you not applying, you not giving yourself enough time, you not believing that you can do it, because it all starts with the belief. I knew I would get into this position. I knew I would have this penthouse. I knew I would have the subscribers on YouTube. I knew I would grow the VIP to where it is. I knew I would be able to consistently make money trading with my system. You have to believe it before it's even there. You have to be able to believe it before it's even anywhere in sight. Before I was here, I was mentally here. And that may sound crazy, but that's how you got to think. You got to know what you're aiming for, and you got to know that you can do anything you put your mind to. You just got to know that it's only a plan away from being achieved. You're just one plan, one step, 1 year from where you want to be. And you are that person that you are dreaming to be. You are that person that you think you're going to be in 5-10 years. Just do the things that they would do today. And it's very simple. It's very, very simple. Like even me right now, I don't know how many views this video is going to get, but all I know is show up every day, give value, nonstop. Trading, content, mindset, personal development, all the above. Anything that I've used to become a better individual, you could use the same exact thing, because we're no different. We both bleed the same. We're both human. There's not, the only difference between me and you is what? What I've done. That's it. It's literally the only difference. I'm even going to take this time to show you guys a post that I posted earlier on my Instagram. So far, the post at 1,300 views. It's not bad. But look at this screenshot. There was a point, I think 2-3 years ago, when I only had $8 in my account. Literally only $8 fucking dollars, bro. $8 to my name. I went from having $8 to my name to getting $1,600 payouts from Top Step to getting $1,400 payouts from Top Step. I'm going from $8, so I want to show you another post that I posted on my story. Like, I show you guys, it's not to flex or anything, just to show you the reality of what you could be doing. I'm only 22 years old, and this wasn't even the biggest month I've ever had in terms of trading, in terms of money in total. This is just this month. This is just the last month of the year. I went from having $8 into my bank account to having $22,000 months, bro, at 22 years old. No cap in the rep. That was my bank statement. And that's from everything, trading, content, from VIP, all my businesses, sponsorships. That was from all of it. And like I said, this isn't even one of my biggest months. It's just the last month. It's just this month. It's just now. Past doesn't exist. Tomorrow doesn't exist. All we have is now. And that's what I did as of now, ending the year off. Anything is possible. From $8 to $22,000. Now, where do you think I'm going to take that $22,000? Because once you have something that's not broken, don't fix it. It's about building off it. It's about continuing to level up. It's about finding something that works and continuing to multiply. Just think of it as like a game. For all the gamers out there, I was heavy into games. I still like games. Think about farming something. When you find like a XP glitch or like a money glitch, You just keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it until it gets patched or it doesn't work no more, right? Because that's what you do. If you find something that works and it makes sense, you just do it as much as possible. And that's all I'm doing. Pushing out the content on Instagram, pushing out the content on YouTube, pushing out the value in VIP, pushing out the trades. And I'm going to keep doing it because it simply works. And if it's not broken, why would I try to fix it? Catching trades left and right in front of people. Like, it's one thing to catch trades, but to do it in front of people every day, you can't cap in that. To having 100 people inside live trading, 100 people, to getting the YouTube hoodie, 1.7 million views just on Instagram this month, not even YouTube, to getting in shape. And I'm not in the best shape yet. That's one thing that I will say I didn't go crazy with this year. I did stay consistent in the gym, but I didn't gain the weight I wanted to. That's something I need to focus on 2025. I just need to eat more. That's really it. Eat more and continue to lifting heavy and continue to work out consistently. I've ate good, but my problem is I'm working a lot and I tend to maybe eat one big meal, but a lot of times I can't do that. I gotta kind of eat more throughout my day, and I understand that. I'm trying protein shakes. For all the health people, all the fitness people, let me know in the description. If you're trying to fuck around, train me, I'll fuck around, give you VIP mentorship for free. Let's make something happen. Let's make 2025 the year that we both help each other. I can help you, you can help me. I can make you some money, you can get me in shape. You know what I'm saying? But it's been a great year. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm really just yapping the last end of this video because I'm sick as fuck. Like, the reality of it, I may try to get a video out every day, but not every day I have something to record. But I can promise you this, there's value in every single thing. Me being sick right now, showing up to record this video is all this video is about. Doing it no matter what. Doing what they want to achieve what they can. Simple as that. I don't know anybody else in this building wearing a YouTube hoodie on their balcony right now, sick, before New Year's, not partying, working. Who else is doing it? At my age, at 22. I don't know anybody, and if you do, let me know, because I want to be friends with them. Simple as that. But I ain't gonna lie. I hope you guys had a great year. I hope you accomplished everything you put your mind to, and if you didn't, don't overthink it. You have tomorrow. You have today. Focus on today. Tomorrow, yesterday doesn't exist. All we have is today and now. What are you gonna do now? Are you gonna watch this video and go to the gym? Are you gonna watch this video and upload your first YouTube video? Or are you gonna watch this video and start studying the free trading course? What are you gonna do? It's not an information problem, it's an application problem. What are you going to do? What are you going to do 2025 to make your dreams happen? Not what you want to do in 2025, what are you going to do? Because the action is key. Words mean nothing without application. But with that being said, I love you guys. We had a great year, 30,000 subscribers, almost 400 VIP members. Join VIP, it's on sale right now, and it's also going to give you guys 50% off for the last day of the year. So join VIP. You'll be able to get it for like $15 a month. Lock it in, because after tomorrow, the price is not going to be that low no more. Like, don't even ask for the low price like that. It's never going to be that low again, so take advantage. About to hit 400 members in VIP, 3,000 in the private inner circle, 22,000 on Instagram, and the trading accounts, that's only going to the moon. It's going to be a great year. I'm going to accomplish everything I put my mind to, and so are you, as long as we stay focused and start today. Not on New Year's, today. Right now, it's December 31st. I'm going to be the same person tomorrow that I am right now. And I promise you, I'm only going to achieve more, and I'm only going to become the best version of myself. And everything else is simply going to be a byproduct of that. I love you guys. I appreciate you all. I'm going to see you next year.